What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Auntie Titi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you know Wig by Sensational in their butter lace style, what lace, and I'm doing a review on Butta Unit 5. Go ahead and watch me install the wig, and after I do that, we can go ahead and talk about the specs, the pros, what I like, what I dislike, if there's anything that I dislike. And also, stay tuned to see what color that this is. Now that you've watched it install, let's go ahead about some specs about the wig. The wig does come with adjustable straps, 3 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the back. It is 350 to 400 degrees heat safe. It has 100% premium fiber. The HD lace is virtually undetectable. The HD lace is 5-inch deep hand-tied part. It's virtually undetectable. It blends well with most skin tones. It's pre-plucked with baby hairs, and it's natural, and it is a natural density hairline. I have Butta Unit 5 in the color T4 Copper, and I think that's about it that I find about the style. Oh, yeah, there are other available pretty colors, and you know. But what I like about the wig, everything. This one is a 10 out of 10. I love this wig. The only thing I did that I shouldn't have done, I cut it like to frame my face. I don't know why I did that. So I don't know if you could tell, like just right here, just right here, I cut it. Like right here, can you see it? But other than that, love. This one is a 10 for me. I didn't run my fingers through it, so I don't know if it tingles or sheds, because I didn't do nothing to it. So it doesn't have flyaways, tingles, or sheds for me, because I didn't do nothing but put it on my head. So if it does for you, I apologize. You buy it and does that. But other than that, I love the wig. Can you see how undetectable this lace is? Look at this. Look at this. Can you? And then of course I had to do my little scalp method. See the scalp? You see the scalp? Tell me this ain't growing out my head. Tell me. Well, don't tell me, because it is not growing out my head. Don't tell me, okay? But you know what I mean. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, honey. Sensationnel said undetectable. They got that right. This is undetectable. I love this. I love the color. I love the undetectable lace. I love the lace part. I love the 5-inch deep part. I love the curls. Everything. When I tell you this wig is a 10 for me, this wig is a 10. Like, go out and get this wig if you haven't already got it. Like, and no, you don't need baby hairs, because the lace lace is undetectable, so you don't need baby hairs if you don't like them. So this wig here, 10 out of 10 for Auntie TT. Just flawless. I didn't do nothing to it. I just added a little bit I added a little bit of my mousse, and that's it. Other than that, I think it took me 10 minutes to apply, because I already had my makeup on. The actual wig took me 10 minutes to apply. Okay, I love this. There's nothing that I dislike about this wig. Nothing. It's the perfect length. Oh yeah, let me tell you how long it is. I think it's about 16 inches. Yep, 16 inches. And it does says it's heat safe, but what you gonna do with it? Heat safe where? At the top maybe? Okay, that makes sense. Oh, God, I love this unit. Come through, Butta Lace, come through, Butta Lace, come. I love this. I love this one, y'all. I love this unit. Love it. This one's so cute. I don't want to take it out. I want to walk around the neighborhood. Maybe go to Walmart. I don't know. I might have to step my game and go to Target, because this week looks too good for Walmart. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh. Ooh. If you got to the end of the review, I like to say a big old thank you to you. And if this is content you enjoy, I say go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my commentary or my silliness or my goofiness. Because, yeah, I'll be back next week with another wig review. Yes, ma'am. Can you tell I really love this wig? Really love this wig. I really love this wig. I really love this wig. I really. Ooh, I love this wig a lot. Just basking in the glory. Okay, let me stop. I gotta end this video. I got other stuff to do, like review 7 more wigs. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if this is content you do, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are aware of when I next post.